helping flowers grow from the ground. With a hum and a song they work all day. In the bright sunshine they love to play. Buzz, buzz, busy little bees, gathering nectar from the trees. In the meadow they dance and roam, bringing sweetness to their home. From blossom to blossom they swiftly fly, spreading pollen as they soar.